Welcome everybody, I'm back. I've got my 10 by 20 canvas painted, which you saw before. Now I've got my gradient mixture. It's 10 by 20, so I multiplied that. That's 200 divided by 29. I need 7 ounces. So here are my 7 ounces, and it's 5.5 ounces of Floetrol, 1 ounce of water, and 1/2 ounce of pouring medium. Okay. It looks like a lot, but by the time I tilt it and get the canvas all covered, I think my sticks just fell out, my popsicle sticks. Okay, I'm doing this towards me. I'm sorry you can't see, but I don't know if you care to see. Here we go. Now kind of swish it around the sides. I've chosen colors already. They're very bright and brilliant, so it should show up really nice against this metallic blue that I've used. And that's Artist Loft metallic blue that I painted around. I will list all the colors that I used down below after the video. So if you have any questions, hopefully the answers will be there. If not, make a comment and I'll try to answer any questions that you may have. So we're doing this fun thing together. I've done one before and it turned out really nice. Okay, so these are the colors I'm going to use. This was Liquitex, and it's bright aqua green. This is Folk Art Hot Saffron. And this one is Artist Loft Deep Magenta. And as always, in between I'm going to use DECO Art Champagne Gold, and I'm also going to put in some Artist Loft Titanium White. So I'm just going to go across this way. think? I have to look at this for a minute. What do you think, Antonio? You're not saying anything.
Good.
I almost got muddy colors here with the orange and the teal, the aqua green. Do you see that? That's not looking so pretty. Down here, we're okay. They didn't do that. See? They're prettier. Okay, I think I'm going to quit. I may try to pick this up with a spatula, but I think we're just going to let it dry. I like the white. I'm glad I did the white. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Just hit the bell after you hit subscribe, and then you'll be notified every time I do something. Also, make comments. I love to have comments. And I can tell you right now, you can see that the mixture that I had, see, it's kind of made the paint, I don't know how to say it, not hold together, it made it separate. So it looks kind of lacy over here. Okay, thank you. Aloha.
Good.
This is the resin finish of my last one, and I wanted you to see how shiny and pretty and how vibrant the colors are.